Hello students, welcome to Maths Practice. Today we are going to do exercise 8.1, question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A equal 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So for this, first of all we have to draw one triangle, right angle triangle. So this is our right angle triangle. This is the right angle. Here we will take A. Right angle should be at B. So this is the right angle B and here C. So let us start now. Given ABC is a right angled triangle at B such that tan A equal 1 by root 3. Tan A equal 1 upon root 3. So this implies that tan A. So now we need the formula for tan A. It is opposite by adjacent side. From A if I see, opposite will be BC. Adjacent will be from A, it is AB. AB equal 1 upon root 3. So therefore we can say BC equal 1k and AB equal root 3k, comma, where k is a positive integer. Full stop. After that, now we can see that BC equal 1k, we got BC equal 1k and AB equal root 3k. Now we have to find AC. So by using Pythagoras property, we will find for AC. By using Pythagoras property. So first we have to take hypotenuse. So AC is our hypotenuse. So AC square equal height square. Height is AB. AB square plus BC square. This implies that AC. We do not have the value of AC. We will write it AC only. AB it is root 3k. So root 3k whole square plus BC. BC is 1k whole square. AC square equal root and square will get cancelled. So it will be only 3k square plus 1 1 is 1 only and k square is k square. This implies that AC square equal 3 plus 1, it will be 4k square. Now this square will come on root of 4. It will be 4 root k square. Again, what is the square root of 4? We have 2. Square and root cancel, 2k. So AC we got 2k. So now we have to find this Roman number 1, sin A cos C and plus cos A sin C. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now is equal sin A. We need to take the formula for sin. It is opposite by hypotenuse. From A if I see, BC is opposite, hypotenuse is AC. So it will be BC by AC. BC by AC. Between sin and cos we will have multiply sin. Now cos C, formula for cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, but we have to look it from C. So this is our C. If I look from C, adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent will be this nearest side, it is BC by AC. So we'll write here BC by AC. We have plus sign, plus. Again, you have to put the formula for cos. It is adjacent by hypotenuse, but we have to look from A. From A, if we see, AB is our adjacent side and AC is our opposite side. So AB by AC. So let us write here AB by AC. In middle no sign, so you have to give multiply sign. Sin C. Now again we need the formula for sin. It is opposite by hypotenuse and we have to look from C. From C, if I look, then it will be opposite will be AB and hypotenuse will be AC. AB by AC equals BC. We have the value of BC is 1k. So let us write here 1k. AC, we have AC equal 2k into, again we have here BC, it is 1K, AC will be 2K, plus AB, AB is root 3K, so it will be root 3K, AC we have again it is 2K into AB root 3K, and AC is 2K. So multiply sign, you have to multiply 1 1 ja 1, K into K, it will be K square divided by 2 2 ja 4, K into K, K square, plus root 3 into root 3, it is single 3, K into K, K square, 2 2 ja 4, K into K, K square. So this equals, if we have to take LCM now, LCM of 4K square and 4K square will remain 4K square only. So upside also 1K square plus 3K square. Now 3 plus 1, it will be 4K square by 4K square. If you cancel, we will get 1. So this is number 1. Now we'll do Roman number 2. So for Roman number 2, we have here cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. Cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. So let us take now cos A. Again, formula for cos A will be adjacent by hypotenuse. From A we have to C. So from A if I see, adjacent will be AB, hypotenuse will be AC. AB by AC. Here we have to give multiply sign, cos C. From C we have to look now. From C. Again we need cos, cos will be adjacent. If I look from C, adjacent will be this nearest side, it is BC, hypotenuse is AC, BC by AC. BC by AC. Minus, minus sign. Sin A now. We have to look from A and we have to put the formula for sin. Sin it is opposite by hypotenuse from A. From A if I look, opposite will be BC, hypotenuse will be AC. BC by AC into sin C. Again you have to put the formula for sin, but you have to look from C. From C if I see, opposite side will be AB and hypotenuse will be AC. AB by AC equals AB. So we have the value for AB is root 3K. So it is root 3K divided by AC. We have 2K into BC. BC we have 1K. So let us write here 1K by AC. Again we have here 2K minus BC. It is 1K. AC 2K into AB. We have again 3K, sorry, root 3K. AC is 2K. Now let us multiply root 3 into 1. It will be root 3, K into K, K square. 2 into 2, 4, K into K, K square. Minus, minus. Root 3 into 1, root 3, K into K, K square. 2 into 2, 4, K into K, K square. So plus root 3 K square minus root 3 K square by 4. If you cancel, it will get 0. So this is the solution. So now we'll start question number 10. So here we have question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR equal 25 cm and PQ equal 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So we need to draw one triangle first. So we have drawn this triangle. It is right angle triangle. It is given here right angle should be at Q. So this is Q and name of triangle will be PQR. PQR. So now let us start. PQR is a right angle triangle. Given PQR is a right angled triangle at, right angle is at Q, such that PQ equal 5 cm, PQ equal 5 cm and PR plus QR equal 25 cm. PR plus QR equal 25 cm. So here we have two terms together. So what we'll do here, we will send one of this term to that side. So it will be PR equal 25. Before QR we have plus sign, it will be minus QR. So here if we get PR, then we can put this value just for some time. Afterwards we will find out the value for this. So let us give this equation number 1. Now we have PQ equal 5 cm. It is given already. PR PR is this one. It is given in this combined form. We cannot take it. Just we can take it for solving, but that value we will find afterwards. So PR also for some time we have. Now we need to find QR. So net we have to write here now by using Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. Hypotenuse is our PR, so we'll write here PR square equal height is our PQ square plus QR, it is QR square. So this implies that PR, for PR we have P25 minus QR. So in place of this PR, you can see here now this value of PR for this equation 1 part we will use now here, because we do not have the actual value of PR. So we will just for some time we will use for PR 25 minus QR. It will be 25 minus QR whole square equal PQ it is given 5. So 5 square plus QR is not given, so we'll write just it as QR. Now we can see here that we have to use the formula identity A minus B whole square. So we'll write here, since A minus B whole square is equals A square minus 2AB plus B square. This identity we are going to use here now. A square, A we have here 25, it will be 25 square minus 2 into A into B. So 2 A will be our 25, B will be our QR plus B square. B is our QR square equal 5 square will be 5 5 ja 25 plus QR is same. So 25 square, if we square it we will get 625 minus 2, this 3 we have to multiply, 2 into 25 it will be 50 QR plus QR square same, and this side also we have to write now same. We can see here that QR and QR we can cancel from here. So what is left here, 625 minus 50 QR equal 25. Now this is number, we will send this number also to the right hand side. Here we will get only 50 QR equal 25. Before 625 it is plus, so it will be minus 625. This implies that minus 50 QR equal 25 minus 625, that means 625 minus 25 it will be 600, negative sign. It is big, so minus. Minus as minus cancel, QR will be equal to 50 is multiplying here. If you write here it will get divide here. 0 and 0 cancel, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 2 ja, it will be 12. So QR equal 12 cm. So this we got the value of QR. Now see, from before we have PQ equal 5 cm. Now we got QR equal 12 cm. We have to find PR, value of PR here. So if we put this value of QR in equation 1, then we can get PR also. So here we will write now, putting the value of QR in equation 1. In equation 1. So equation 1 we have PR equal 25 minus QR. PR equal 25 minus QR. This implies that PR equal 25 minus QR, we have 12 here. 25 minus 12 it will be 13. So therefore PR equal 13 cm. So we got all the three sides of the triangle. Now we need to determine, we have to find the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So let us write here. Sin P we have to find, cos P and tan P we have to find. Sin P, formula of sin P is opposite by hypotenuse. From P, if we see, opposite will be QR, hypotenuse is PR. QR by PR. QR by PR equal. QR we have here 12 and PR we have 13. So this is for sin P. For cos P, it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. If we see from here, adjacent will be, if you see from P, adjacent will be PQ, hypotenuse will be PR, PQ by PR. So it will be PQ by PR. PR we have this, it will be 13. PQ we have it is 5 cm. So we will write here 5 cm for this, 5. Now tan P. Tan formula will be opposite by adjacent. From P, if we see, opposite will be QR, adjacent will be PQ. QR by PQ. So QR by PQ. QR we have 12. PQ we have, this is 5. So we can use here 5. So this is the solution. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. The comment box is for you only. So thank you.